Data that was collected 5, 10 years ago from Walmart isn't really going to be useful today. And that's only 5 years ago. If you go back 10, 15, 20 years, it's even going to be less relevant than it is right now. People change, people get cosmetic surgeries, especially today with Dr. Miami and everything else. I'm sure my fingerprints might look slightly different than it did back in 2010 because of sports, school, work, whatever. That's only the timeline of the data. You have to look at the technology that's collecting it. Because in 2001, 2005, 2010, that technology doesn't really compete with what the average person has today. Quality of data we can collect now, right here, right now, compared to even 2 years ago, is different. Then that's still only part of the situation. Once you have the understanding that more data means more profit, even having one piece of information or you have the fingerprints from your job 5 years ago, that's not enough. Why would you stop there where you can get that same thing over and over and over again as consistently as you can? That right there is what makes AI AI. It's the power of the data that it's getting. And if it has brand new data on every single person consistently over and over again, then the AI model in and of itself is going to be better. A really quick example of this: if you collect someone's fingerprints over the span of 10 years, you can probably see where certain changes happen. For example, if there's some type of cut, rash, whatever occurring on your hands, that tells a story. That's information, that's data that they can use to do something with, put pieces together, connect missing links, etc. And not even in a malicious way, but even in a healthcare way, potentially. And even if you have someone's biometrics from 5, 10 years ago, if it's on paper, the amount of effort and resources that it's going to take to push millions of records into a database is going to, it's not worth it. You can just recollect it over again, fresh, brand new, digitally. So yes, they have been collecting data for years now. They do have information on people from jobs and other passports and even online social media, etc. The quality and quantity of it that they can obtain now going forward by putting in these foundations is different.